Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, let's get ready to griddle. Today we're going with Ooey Gooey Jumbo Cinnamon Rolls with buttercream icing. Uh, oh, it exploded. I didn't expect it. So, Ooey Gooey, Ooey, 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 get down, Oogie, Oogie, Oogie. Something like that. It exploded. Cinnamon roll. Got this turned down to lowish. Medium lowish. And we got ooey gooey hands now. Ooey gooey. There's a thing full of cinnamon and buttercream icing. Ooh. Usually I use parchment paper and I squish these down. Hey, Pup Pup, we have a visitor. Oh, you got a friend. So I'm using the no stick spray. Let's see how it does. Just gonna squish these down. And it works. Kind of wants to stick, but it's not sticking in one big piece. And the reason I squish this down is it gets cooked more. More of the surface gets cooked all the way through. And it's ooey gooey. It does puff up. You'll see that if you don't already. It's ready to, it's already ready to flip flop. Flip flop. Right, Baja? Flip flop. So, what do we do with this stuff? Anybody know? Maybe we'll spread some cinnamon love. Maybe that was too much cinnamon love. Maybe we'll use our fingers. Yeah, that was about right, I think. Ooey gooey. It's definitely ooey gooey. Hey, Pop. What you doing? You coming to supervise? Baja, the co-host, has brought a friend. Hi, what you doing, Pop? I can't bite you right now, There's our friend today. Right, Baja? Don't get jealous. Okay, let's throw on some buttercream icing before things burn up on us. Oogie, oogie, oogie. Get down. Oogie, oogie, oogie. Baja, I can't throw your ball. I'm sorry. My hands are ooey gooey. You'll just have to wait. So, you see, everything's almost done. Putting it closer and making me trip on it will not make me throw your ball. Synonym rolls, just like Grandma used to make. Let's maybe use the knife and you see these are melting nicely. I think we're done already. That's like a world record. Now my lovely assistant actually prefers hers coming off of the out of the oven because she's not as big of a fan of Ooey Gooey in the middle. And that's okay. We all have our preferences. But it's good to know if you're camping or you're lazy or impatient. In a couple of minutes, you can have Ooey Gooey cinnamon rolls on the griddle. So that's it for today. Quick, easy, peasy. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!